Here we have a beautiful 2019 Lincoln MKZ Reserve. It is a hybrid. So you have the 2-liter Atkinson under the hood, mated to the battery. Reverse sensing, backup camera, of course, remote entry, remote start. Under 100 kilometers, did I say that? Full power leather, heated, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, moon roof, Revel audio, navigation, voice navigation, of course. Absolutely beautiful vehicle. You should come and drive one if you never have. You're going to love it. And you're going to find it at Burn Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.